welcome to Axe and Root Homestead. I'm so happy to have you here today. We are standing in my kitchen and we are going to be making soap. Today we're making soap via the cold process method. There are 3 routes that you can choose for soap making. One would be melt and pour. This is where that chemical reaction process, where lye, saponifies, and all that, but people tend to shy away from. That part is already done for you. And then you just add your colorants and your fragrances. So that's melt and pour. On the other side of things, we have hot process. And hot process is where we heat up our oils and our lye mixture to a higher temperature than what we're working with today. That's a just fine option. However, it does give your soap a little bit more of a rustic look. So today we are making soap by hand via the cold process method, and I'm so excited to have you here. First things first, if you can follow a recipe, you can make soap. You don't need to worry. I know that we are all scared to death of lye, but we'll talk about that and how to make sure that you can stay safe in the kitchen in just a moment.